Good morning and welcome to your phonics challenge for today. I'm going to go over the directions so you know exactly what to do. The first step is to read any book you'd like. I'm going to post a few books that I really enjoy, so you can use those if you'd like, but if you have your own book that you would like to be reading, that's fine too. It can be a chapter book where you can read a whole chapter. It can be a couple picture books, whatever you choose. Then you're going to use the chart below to review the skills we've practiced this week. Remember, if there's anything that you're confused about, you can always go back and rewatch those videos from each day that we have posted. So let's say you're confused about irregular plural nouns. Go back to the video from, I believe, Monday or Tuesday and watch that video to help you remember what an irregular plural noun is before you start looking for those words. You're going to find 5 examples of each kind of word in the book or the books that you're choosing to read. If you have read a lot of books and you really can't find it, you can make up your own example. So for, let's say, ER, OR words that mean a person who. If you're reading and you can't find those, but you've read a couple books, that's okay. Use what you know about those words and those suffixes to make your own. Then you're going to choose a word from each phonics skill and write a detailed sentence. And use your imagination. The sentences can be silly, or they can be realistic. So 1 sentence for each skill, so a total of 4 sentences. And then you're going to choose one of your sentences to illustrate or draw. So here are the phonics skills that we worked on this week. The first one is comparative and superlative adjectives. So comparative is when we're talking about 2 things. Superlative is when we're talking about 3 or more. So those are ER for comparative and EST for superlative suffixes. So taller, tallest, happiest. Those are some examples. So you're going to find 5 examples. They can be a mix of ER and EST. The next one are suffixes, meaning a person who. So these are also ER words. This time also OR and then sometimes IST, like artist, or actor, or teacher, a person who teaches. So you're going to look for 5 examples of those in what you're reading. The next one is irregular plural nouns. So when you have more than one person, place, or thing, but you don't just add an S or ES. So child goes to children, mouse goes to mice, deer, it just stays deer, fish just stays fish. Look for some examples of those in your writing. Write 5. Please write the plural version, not the singular. This one is irregular past tense verbs. So this is when the verb already happened, but we don't just add ed to the end. So for example, run becomes ran, eat becomes ate, begin becomes began. So we change the whole word. We just have to know what that word is when it happened in the past. After that, you will choose 1 word from each of these boxes up here. So just choose 1 from each one. Maybe choose your favorite word or a word you want to write about and use it in a sentence. So you should have a total of 4 sentences. Then you will pick your favorite sentence, rewrite it right here, and draw a picture of it here. That is all. Have fun today with this. If you need more book recommendations, maybe post it on Google Classroom and I can post a couple extra. Bye guys.